Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to go for my first e-bike ride. I've been on a bike since I was a kid in high school. And as you know, I picked up my Velotric Discover 2. I have on my Ulanzi chest strap, which I'm going to mount my Action 4 onto, my DJI Osmo Action 4. And I'm using my DJI Mic 2, just a single transmitter. The links for everything, the camera, the mic, this Osmo, will be in the description below if you're interested. There'll be a link for my Velotric if you're interested. Check them out, great bike. I'm really happy with it. I've only taken it, down to the parking area and back here, but I'm gonna go actually on a nice ride and try it out for the first time. And yeah, so hope you stay tuned. Next time you see me, we'll be on the road. All right, I'm out on the road right now. I got it in eco mode. I got pedal assist 0 on, which I said I wanted to do a lot. I don't know if you can hear me, it's a little windy. We'll see how this comes out. But when I need some assist, I'll just click it in the power assist 1, and there we go. Takes right off. Yeah. This is what I'm gonna probably be using this bike for, is for the most part, using the throttle to take off. Using power, pedal assist 1 or 0. Like right now, I'm gonna use 0. What do you think? Nice day out. It's probably about 60 right now, 60 something. All right. 6th gear. Nice easy pedaling, 17 miles an hour, 18. Seventh gear. Whew. Been a while. Let's see here. I've only gone 2 miles and my knees are killing me already. Yeah. All right, I'll be back when something good comes. All right. End of the line. Whew. Turn around. 6 miles that way. And the Route 40 where I live. Yeah. Whew. Let's take a break. Whew. 6 miles. Man, it took me a while. Oh, I stopped too, didn't I? 25 minutes. Yeah, but it's... okay, so... it keeps track of your miles and you time a trip, so it does stop when the bike stops pedaling. So 25 minutes to do 6 miles. I don't know. Pretty slow. All right, let's get going. All right. So I just used the throttle to get going, and then I get pedal assist 1 in eco mode just to get moving a little bit. I use it when I go uphill. So when it's flat, then I'll shut it back down to pedal assist 0. All right, got the cemetery. This is the State Trooper Barracks over here. And then we have rehab center, nursing home. All right. Now I'm gonna click it down to 0. Pedal on my own. Yeah, my knees are getting a good workout now. All right. That was a good workout. Whew. We just say 21 miles. Let's stop right there. It wasn't 21 miles. It was only 12. For some reason, I don't know how, I must have been playing around with the menu. But at the bottom there, where it says 21 miles, that was my odometer, not my trip meter. So that's the total miles I have on the bike so far. I don't know why I didn't think about it, because when I went down and did my turnaround, it was only 6 miles. So it should be only 6 miles coming back. Don't know why I didn't click up there. 21. See here, six halfway, 21. That don't make sense. So total 12 miles. Okay? Just wanted to put that out there. I don't know, didn't click. Back to the program. And I did it in pedal assist 0, pedal assist 1, and throttle. Throttle going up hills, pedal assist on the smaller hills. Whew. And I used 15% of my battery, so I'm down to 85% for 21 miles. Awesome. Well, that was my first ride on my e-bike. Yeah, I'm out of shape. My knees are killing me. A little tired. So I think I got to do a little smaller trips than that 21 mile. Anyway, I didn't record much. Just a little, this is a short video. I'll be recording more when I get better at riding. So, but in the meantime, hit that subscribe button so you're, if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. If you want to watch some more videos of mine, just check out this video right up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.